artists. Join me as we draw Daddy Pig looking warm and cozy in his winter outfit. His big fluffy coat, a bright scarf, and a cute hat to keep him toasty in the cold. Let's get started. Wool is one of the warmest materials for winter clothes, and it comes from sheep. Do you wear a winter coat like Daddy Pig's when it's cold outside? Some animals grow thicker fur in winter to stay warm, just like Daddy Pig wears his winter coat. Mittens keep your hands warmer than gloves because your fingers share heat. Look, Daddy Pig has opened his eyes. He enjoys glancing around. Snowflakes are unique. No two are exactly the same. Should we draw snowflakes around Daddy Pig? Do you like snowflakes? The tradition of wearing hats in winter goes back to ancient times for warmth and style. Did you know that people in cold places sometimes wear special boots with spikes to walk on ice safely? Safety comes first at all times. Awesome! Daddy Pig looks so warm and cozy in his winter outfit. Let's make him even more cheerful by adding some colors. Take out your markers or crayons and let's bring him to life with some snowy magic. Polar bears have fur and a layer of fat to keep them warm, like Daddy Pig's winter outfit. What's your favorite part of Daddy Pig's winter outfit? His scarf, coat, or hat? What would Daddy Pig carry in his pocket during winter? Maybe a snack or gloves? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Daddy Pig likes to sled or skate in the winter. What do you like? If you could design a winter hat for Daddy Pig, what would it look like? What's your favorite warm winter drink? Hot chocolate, tea, or something else? Do you think Daddy Pig would enjoy making snow angels? Let's imagine him doing that. Great job! Look at how fantastic Daddy Pig looks in his winter outfit. Show our drawing. It will make them smile. Thank you for joining us here. I'll see you again soon.